This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the document and locating the exact words you want to change. Use Ctrl+F to jump straight to instances. This saves time when a file has many pages. Once found, decide whether you need to preserve original text with track changes. Turn it on if others will review edits. Make sure autocorrect and language settings match the document language so replacements respect capitalization and grammar. Now select the first instance and get ready to replace or edit in place. Now you move into the detailed replacement step. Open Replace with Ctrl+H, enter the target word and the new word, then adjust options like match case and find whole words only because blind replaces can break technical terms. Use Find Next and replace one by one for safety, or replace all when you're confident. Once done, check formatting. Styles and hyphenations sometimes change after replacements. If you altered headers or captions, update the table of contents and cross-references to keep everything consistent. Finish by reviewing changes and finalizing the document. If track changes was on, go through Accept/Reject to create a clean version, then save as a new file name to preserve the original. If something looks off, use Ctrl+Z to undo recent actions or compare the two versions side by side. If formatting broke after replacements, select affected text and apply clear formatting or reapply the correct style. This restores fonts and spacing. A quick troubleshooting tip. If replace all mangled text, restore the backup and redo replacements with stricter options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.